Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and today, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your laptop or desktop. I recommend that you follow the instructions and watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important details. If you want to know more tricks like these, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If your laptop is new or you just installed Windows, you usually only have the Microsoft Edge browser installed. If you have an older Windows, your default browser may be Internet Explorer. Whatever it is, you're going to open one of these browsers and you're going to go to Google. In Google, type Google Chrome. Click on this result. On this website, tap on Download Chrome, and the download will start automatically. When the installation is downloaded, you will open it. Now it will start to download and install Google Chrome. Once this process is finished, Google Chrome is installed and ready to use. Don't forget to enable this option to make Chrome your default browser. And that's how easy it is to download and install the Google Chrome browser. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.